So are you an art teacher that wants to use technology in the classroom? In the last lesson, we saw how you could create a house using the formatting tools within a spreadsheet. So what we're going to do now, we're going to look at how we can create a picture and make it interactive by changing the colors of the picture. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to rename this to house. And then we're going to create a new sheet. Here's my new sheet. So again, I want to do 10 columns. So let's select K all the way to Z, right click and delete the columns. So select row 16, scroll right to the bottom, shift, last row, right click and delete all those rows. So this is our canvas, and now what I want to do is start creating my picture. So we're going to create a face in this picture. So the first thing I need to do is select the cells that I want to change color. So let's select D3 and D4, and I want to select F3 and F4 as well. So press the Command key, F3 and F4. You go over to the Format menu and you choose Conditional Formatting. So it's going to apply to this range, and what we now want to do is choose the final option here, Custom Formula Is. And we're going to put a formula in here. That's a very easy formula. We're going to choose cell A1 to be our number formula. If $A$1 equals 1, we're putting the dollars in because we only want it to happen to that cell. And then we're going to choose our color. So we click on the drop down menu and we're going to choose red eyes to start with, and then done. Let's add another rule. We're going to do the same thing again. Custom formula is equals $A$1 equals 2. And our eyes are going to be blue this time. Click done. And finally, let's do one more. Custom formula is, put our formula in, equals $A$1 equals 3. Choose the color, which is going to be green this time, and then done. Now when we put a 1 in here, they turn red. When we put a 2 in here, they turn blue. 3, green. Now we can do the same thing for our nose. We add a rule. Cell range, custom formula is equals $A$1 equals 1. And let's have a orange nose when it's 1. Done. And then we do this for all the numbers that we've put in. Okay, so now we can change 1, 2, 3. So finally, I'm just going to put the mouth in. Okay, so there we have our face. 2, 1. I'm now just going to complete the rest of the face. Okay, so there is our face. I'm going to close this column in just a little bit. I'm going to close this column in. Let's close this in. Close this in. Give him a smaller nose, and there's our little face. 1, 2, 3. So that's how you'd create an interactive picture using conditional formatting within a spreadsheet.